Hello, it's Finn from Webbers and Finding Country in South Molton here, and welcome to Manse Cottage. Set within Stowford on the outskirts of Chittlehampton. This property possesses an acre of gardens. It has dual occupancy potential as well, with a bedroom on the ground floor with its own shower facilities. There's character in abundance and so much more. So let's go on inside and take a look. Thank you for watching our video tour. We hope that you'll agree this thatched Grade 2 listed gem truly is something to behold. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you have any questions at all, our number is 01769 573 181. We look forward to meeting you.